what's up, family? You know the vibe, we go crazy. God bless you, stay happy. Join the TNS family. What's up, family? You know the vibe, we go crazy. So come along and join the family.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your fave girl, Sera.
Tuxx.
Today we are here with Fraser. We're having a personal one-on-one with Fraser, so I'm actually really scared, to be honest, because today we are doing Ankorr. I've only done Ankorr once, and that was last year. And I died. Like, when I mean, it's a different kind of workout. You will see me dying for sure through this lens. But
again, fam, I think you guys can hear the rain. We're supposed to do something like fun, but we can still do something fun.
We can still do something fun
yeah,
later.
Anyways,
After.
But yeah, fam, just want to say again, thank you guys so much for the love, support every single time we put up a vlog. You guys are always in there commenting everything. We love it. We love you guys, TNS fam. And
Don't forget to hit up WOLFZDEN in the link description down below. Click that link, follow their Instagram, and also if you want to book into these classes, make sure you book in advance. Check out the link also down below. It will show you where to go. But yeah, TNS family, let's get into this vlog. We love you so much. Let's go! Everyone meet Fraser's daughter. She's a bit shy, but
Ankorr. What can I say about Ankorr? It's just one of those things that really hurt. They call it the hurt vest. It's just resistance training, so pretty intense. You sort of, with Ankorr, it's a mind thing. There's a thing when you're banging out these walls, and then in the back of your head you're like, I can't do it. So they always encourage, they say, find a way. When you just push through that mindset, just break those barriers within yourself. And yeah, we're gonna have some fun today. Let's go.
guys, just know that we are under some great supervision from Fraser. So he's gonna make sure that even though it's a hurt vest, like we're not gonna hurt like broken A's. Like we're gonna hurt like, well, like
nah, we're gonna be broken.
gracefully broken.
Usually with the warm up, it's usually like 3 rounds. They do it as a warm up, so it's a minute forward reverse, and then after the minute is over, then you spin around and do a reverse and forward. So it's usually 3 rounds, but I've upped it. We're going to do 5 rounds as our warm up. Then we'll go into the shuttles. I'll explain that when we go through the WOD. Pretty straightforward. Frogs in your safety zone, run out, frogs explodes, forward, side to side, just keep it moving. I'll explain that later.
Now we're gonna get into this workout. Wish us luck.
Next one, all it is, the 5 frogs in your safety zone, and 5 frogs, 3, 4, 5, jog out to your cone, explode to 5. back, bang that again, 5. So you repeat that 5 times. Once you've done 5 forward, turn to the side. Okay, 4, 5. 5 times. Same thing, turn the other way. 5 times, and out, start shuffle, explode 5 times. Keep on going to 5 sets of done. Forward,
Boom, so this is what we're doing now, fam. Fraser's just taking us through the movements. Says he's gonna do demo.
I'm doing demo.
Demo team. Alright. Alright.
together, it's called a reverse croc. Lower. Yep, walk it.
Shahani, good job.
2 half hinges.
Great job.
2, reverse.
Reverse.
There we go again.
It's too late.
Praise.
Guys, don't ever let the coach tell you.
Tricky, he's tricky, fam.
Go off to the back crocs.
Hey.
Bang. Ground.
Nice, Fraser.
Let's go, Fraser. Nice.
Great job. Yes, sir.
That's how you really do the hinges. Yeah?
Nice also.
We're not going again.
Let's go.
Okay. So we're going up. 2. Back. 4. 6. 6. 4. 2. You're done.
Okay. Family, we finished the gym, we quickly went home and got a few clothes and changed as well. We had another shower because we were just so sweaty. Shout out to Fraser for that awesome Ankorr sesh. I died. But we are headed off to Geelong with my family. It's not really like the best day, but we thought, because we planned it from last night, we were like, no, let's just go, it's all good. We'll just go there, not to swim, but to even just have lunch there. So yeah, we're headed off there now. Okay fam, Lanston is ready. Lanston, where are we going? You're going to a beach? Are you gonna swim? Maybe, eh? If it's not cold. No, you're not scared. Hi, Adia.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my video. It's Lucky and Auntie Sera at Tuxx. Hi, everyone. Today's my Sera at Tuxx. And that's the pig. And then this wake up and it's video. The end.
He's bowing. Yes. Good, no sound. It's the glasses for me, mate. Hey, sissy. Wolfzden, we just got here and man, it is so packed. Like, all of Melbourne don't want to stay home. They're literally out here at the beach. It's a windy day, partly cloudy. It says like 15% of rain, but hey, you never know. Melbourne's like bipolar, 4 seasons in one day. How was the drive, honey?
It was good, yeah. It was all good.
So we're just gonna look for a park. Hopefully we find a park immediately. Please, Lord. And then we'll come back. Bye. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's so windy.
What's up, TNSFAM? We're just at the beach now, and it's very cold, and quietly just but look, it's what happens.
And it goes a little something like.
How can you love you all summer and after fall? I'll keep you all summer and after fall. I'll keep you all summer and after fall. I'll keep you all summer and after fall. You all summer and
about himself.
Hey guys. You put me on the spot. Man, shout out to these guys, Tuxx and Sera. From the get-go, eh?
Tell them about your business.
Oh man, Dynamite Fitness. If you're looking for any personal trainers, transformation, anything, we're here to help out.
This guy is your guy. His wife is also a trainer. If you need to find them, they'll be in the description down below. Go follow them, fam.
Thanks, guys.
Comment, share, and subscribe.
Let's go!